Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just went grocery shopping. I got home yesterday from Florida. I had about like 8 days on vacation, but while I was there I was working. It was awesome to hang out with my family and see my friends, but everyone's been telling me, because I've been complaining about how my body hurts and I've had a lot of different issues and stuff with anxiety, so I think it's time to start eating healthier so I can, of course, lose some weight, but maybe it can help me mentally. I just wanted to do a little haul really quick. I'm not a nutritionist, but I just wanted to show you guys maybe what I'm going to start eating and some things I'm going to add. Some of this stuff's not perfect, but I just wanted to show you guys because maybe it can inspire you to start eating healthier. And so here we go. So this is the first thing I'm going to show you guys. So my uncle's a chiropractor, and he kind of told me, like, because I love sweets, I love to eat them every night, he's like, go get like 15 calorie popsicles or something, so that if you feel like you need to have something sweet, you can have them. These are 100 calories. I didn't want to get the 15 calorie ones, but I'm like, okay, well, this is better than what I've done before, which is like, I don't know, I'll eat like candy, I'll eat cakes, I'll eat, I don't know, just I need to give up the sweets. So I'm going to try and do this. And then this is 100 calories. This is my sister. It's probably nothing. So 20 grams. Oh, you can't see. Well, there's 20 grams of sugar on here for one container. My sister's going to say that's really bad. She's super into health and fitness, so she's kind of helped me a lot with some information. But we got some asparagus, some lemon, because we want to start putting lemon in our water. Abner got an apple, some yogurt, avocados. We've been eating a lot of frozen broccoli, so like we'll put it, I'm not going to be eating pastas and probably going to give up rice, but we got some frozen broccoli so we can put that on the side with maybe our chicken or whatever we eat that day. So I got some plums. I thought this would be like a good like little sweet or dessert if I wanted something like that. Bananas for Abner. I don't like bananas. Sweet potato for Abner. I love pickles. Let me see what the back of this. Total carbs, 1 carb for 1 pickle, but 0 sugar. This probably isn't bad. I don't think it is. I mean, it's just cucumber, right? I love pickles. Tomato I got because we like to make turkey tacos. We like to make, what else do we like to make? Avocado toast, stuff like that. So we got that. Chicken. I used to, for about like 8 months, I was a vegetarian, so we used to never get meat. But I realized I was gaining a lot of weight because I would be eating more carbs. So I'm trying to give up you know, eating carbs as much, so I'm eating more meat, which is, I don't like to eat. So of course I had to get a bell pepper. I can eat bell peppers raw. I can eat them with just like some olive oil and balsamic vinegar. I can eat them in a salad. I can eat them like anyway. I love them. This bread my sister showed me, it's a whole grain oat nut. I don't really eat toast or sandwiches or anything like that, but I'm thinking maybe in the morning, because I was like doing this whole thing where I was like, okay, I'm gonna give up carbs, but people tell me, like, you that are educated in nutrition, they're like, you can't give up carbs. Everybody needs carbs. You need them. So I'm gonna try and maybe eat like a piece of this in the morning, maybe with avocado toast or maybe strawberries and peanut. So I got a few of these, or no, I got 2 of them. I got this. We got a Caesar, which I know that's not the healthiest salad. It's probably the most unhealthy salad, aside from maybe like a Cobb salad, but we wanted to try this one out to change it up. But these are like $3, and we're servers, so we get home late, so this is like a good thing to maybe have at night if we're like hungry, or just like a quick lunch. Everything comes in it. It's like a kit. I got these. Okay, they're sugar free. I saw them really quick because I love sweets. My sister told me a long time ago, I remember, she said, you can eat these, they're sugar free. But let's see, 5 pieces for, okay, but that's the thing I don't know. It says 24 grams of carbs for 5. I probably wouldn't eat 5 pieces. Well, I'd probably eat the whole bag but I'm trying to change. So I don't know if 24 grams of carbs is really bad. My sister's probably gonna say yes, it is. She's gonna comment down below. She has a YouTube channel if you guys want to watch her. She knows a lot about exercise. Link her YouTube channel below. So she showed me these as well. Actually, these are protein pancakes. So I actually was like, oh, maybe we should get some chocolate chips, but I actually have some frozen blueberries in the freezer, so I'll probably just make some of these with some frozen blueberries. 14 grams of protein, which is really good, especially if you're a vegan or you're a vegetarian. So maybe I'll have some of these on like a Saturday morning, Sunday morning. Well, I'm a server, so I can have them every morning. I don't wake up and go to work. Kombucha, one of my favorites. I love Hum. They actually changed they used to be in like a bottle, so I'm gonna try this one out. I think it's the same thing, but I guess they don't use glass bottles anymore. Cantaloupe, I'll cut that up and eat that. Turkey bacon, ground turkey. I get 93% lean. This is all based off of stuff my sister has shown me, so hopefully she's proud of me when she watches this video. Sour cream. I love cheese and sour cream. We're gonna make turkey tacos, but we're not gonna use any shells. We're gonna use lettuce as the shell. These honey roasted almonds, it says 28 nuts is 5 grams of sugar, so I don't think that's that bad. I don't know, but I love, like, at night I love sweets, so I'm just trying to find substitutes. Let me know if you have any ideas for some substitutes for sweets. Taco seasoning. This is another salad. This is my favorite salad they have. It's sweet kale. Oh my god, it's so good. They have pumpkin seeds in here, cranberries. I love to eat salads that have like little crunchy stuff in them. And then it's a poppy seed dressing, which is so good. It sounds weird, but it's really good. A cucumber. We're trying out a new dressing, olive oil and vinegar. I'm trying not to like drown anything in dressing, but I'm excited to try something new. Abner got some, what is this called? Oatmeal. I don't eat oatmeal. Olives. I love olives. And then he got some peas. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you a little quick haul. I hope you enjoyed this. And of course, we got lots of water. We should probably get a little water filter, but I love spring water. I really don't like purified water. And I got this water at the store to drink, but I used to be super into like alkaline water and waters with high pH, but it just doesn't taste good to me. Spring water, I love it. It's delicious, and I heard it's the best water for you. So comment down below if you like this video and if you want to make more of these in the near future. Thanks, guys.